Staying on the epilogue of the elections, the main opposition New Politics Alliance for Democracy is at a crossroads after that crushing defeat. The party has been left to ponder its future after it failed to make any impression on voters despite the ruling party being embroiled in the recent bribery list scandal. Our Kim Young-gil reports.
Opposition leader Moon Jae-in took responsibility for the NPAD's spectacular failure to win any of the 4 National Assembly seats that were up for grabs in Wednesday's by-elections.
I don't blame anyone. I will reflect upon my shortcomings and start over again. I'll try to bring about greater reform and unification.
Disillusioned members of the party are demanding a complete overhaul of the NPAD's policy agenda. They are also expected to push for ways to resolve the internal power struggle between those loyal to former President Roh Moo-hyun on the one side and Kim Dae-jung on the other. Moon Jae-in's leadership is also coming under intense scrutiny, adding to the sense of crisis within the party. The party lost on its home turf of Gwangju and the traditionally left-leaning Seoul district of Gwanak-bi, leading some to say the NPAD has lost its identity as an opposition party. Moon, who lost in the 2012 race to President Park Geun-hye, was being touted as a potential liberal candidate for the 2017 presidential election. But Wednesday's embarrassing loss has put a major dent in his hopes of running for the top job again. On the flip side, the chief of the ruling Saenuri Party, Kim Moo-sung, has cemented his leadership and raised his status as a potential presidential candidate in 2 years' time. Despite the bribery allegations swirling around some of its senior members, the ruling Saenuri Party's impressive performance has given it a mandate to push ahead with its reform drives and economic initiatives.
We urgently need to pass economy-related bills and reform the pension system for public workers. By doing this, we'll be able to pass on a strong and fiscally sound country to the future generations.
The Saenuri Party's victory is also expected to help President Park tighten her grip on state affairs and aid the administration in its push to fight corruption. Kim Young-gil, Arirang News.